Hi everyone, this is the Quiver Quick Shot. And
Maingay pero panalo.
Maingay pero panalo.
Maingay pero panalo. Maingay sa bangka.
okay, so
At ako'y nawawala.
okay lang. Vic, sige, quick thoughts and reactions towards the game.
We played good defense. With, medyo in-expect ko na we'll play zone today. Kasi we really lack height, no? So we'll just use yung athleticism ng bigs natin, especially Mike and Pabs. We have to really maximize that. That's why okay din yung zone. That's why it worked to perfection. Tapos yung offense is kalat. Ang daming nagambag, ang daming nag-contribute. I feel like meron pang polishing syempre as we move forward sa zone offense, but I'm happy na ang daming nag-step up, ang daming nag-ambag. And sa stats, we almost won every hustle stat category possible. I think ang dent lang natin is we gave Fortea 4 threes in this game. Kasi yun lang yung naging I think yun yung naging lamang ni UP sa game, yung perimeter points. I think they doubled against our output. So ako yun lang yung nakita ko din. I just love the win. Sobra. Yung effort to win, wala akong masabi. I love it.
Okay, when you talk about Luis Pablo, I'm asking you kasi Luis ka rin eh. So,
Hindi ba yung tatay mo?
Luigi naman, medyo malapit na. I'm very happy for Pablo. He really needed a breakout game, and what a game to choose than against his former team. Yun talaga,
grabe yun.
grabe talaga yun.
Grabe.
Even yung performance niya, hindi pilit. It was in the flow of the game. Basta, grabe. Nice one, boy.
yeah, and another Greeners boy eh. So may LB. May LB 69 naman tayo, di ba? Okay, now, quick one. We're ending the round at 4-3.
Yep.
Is this signs of growth and progress for the team, guys? What do you think? Maybe start with Vic muna.
Sana. I'm hoping this will continue moving forward. I know yung road natin hindi magiging madali kasi we miss Kian and Mason, but as we've always said, na we are hoping that others will step up and contribute. Magtulong-tulong. It will be a total team effort from this point forward. So I won't mind kung sino man yung mag-step up every single game. So I'm okay with games like this hanggang matapos na yung season natin. It will be a grit and grind for us. Yun din yung isa ko pang napansin sa atin tonight, no? We are usually a running team, but tonight medyo controlled tayo maglaro. We don't run parang reckless abandon running game na yung typical run and gun that we do. We played slow down, deliberate half-court sets. So yan yun. So we will see that from us moving forward kasi we need to really preserve bodies and hopefully wala nang praying na wala nang ma-injure pa sa atin.
Actually, speaking of the injury, right? Like one of the things is when someone went down on the floor, must have been Pablo. Si Mike protected his team agad, no?
Si Mike parang
oh, we can't afford another.
Built up.
We can't afford another injury. Okay, Willie. Obviously, Luis Pablo's done very well. Anyone you want to shout out from the team who you thought did very well as well?
Ako siguro, cheesy, pero I'd like to shout out the entire team. Talaga it was a collective effort. Pero may favorites ako eh. I'd like to shout out si Earl Abadante. Earl, ikaw talaga.
Earl, nagkamot ka. You missed kay Terrence pero bumawi ka na next play. I love you.
Earl,
I love you.
Wait lang, Earl the Quiver. Yun yung tinawag sa kanila before the game eh. Earl the Quiver.
Bagay talaga.
Oo. Ako, I think shout out ako to Jacob Curtis. Jacob, no, kasi he was intentionally slowing it down, right? Like he was intentionally slowing the game down. He was dictating the play. And alam mo yun, na kahit lumamang ng 6 UP, I didn't feel too far away from me. And that's one of the games we
Ayun, sobrang grabe yun. We kept our composure when we're down 63-57 with Fortea knocking back-to-back threes on that instance.
Yeah, and what I do appreciate about this team was, like in the previous team games kasi, we would go for the 3 all the time in situations like this. Now we were trying to drive talaga eh. And
Meron tayong conscious effort to put it in the paint. Sabi nga, yun yung mga favorite ni Willie. Inside penetration.
Inside penetration.
Yan ang mga favorite ni Willie.
Yung mga insertions.
Inside penetration.
May insertions, may penetration.
alright, so that's it for the Quiver Quickie. Don't forget to like us on Spotify, follow us, and stay tuned for our
Meron
more
pa,
in-depth.
Uwi lang kami.
post-game.
Uwi lang kami.
Medyo late na rin eh. So,
Nag-quickie lang muna. Quickie.
yeah. So, thanks everyone, and Animo.
Animo
Dasal.
Dasal.
Earl the Quiver.